Welcome to my channel. Jim Corbett, a hunter turned naturalist, supplementary background. Edward James Corbett, popularly known as Jim Corbett, was a British wildlife photographer, hunter, tracker, naturalist, and writer. He has hunted a number of man-eating tigers and leopards in India. He had lot of experience with tigers and other wild animals to shoot with Robin, his dog. Though he was an expert hunter, he admired wildlife. He did not like to kill wild animals for pleasure or support, but he did not hesitate to kill man-eating tigers or leopards. He hunted these animals only to keep people and only at the request of government. He took no joy from the kill. He often said that not against the law of nature, but against the law of human. According to this theory, a tiger starts eating humans when they grow old or get hurt. As they cannot run fast, they start killing humans. People cannot run fast as animals, so they become easy prey. After eating human flesh once, a tiger will not eat any other flesh. These tigers are called man-eaters. His first man-eating tiger hunt was the Chopper tiger. It was a Bengal tiger loss responsible for nearly 436 deaths in Nepal and Kumaon area of India. Her attack have been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the highest number of fatalities from the tiger. She was shot in 1907 by Jim Corbett. The tigerless began her attack in a Rupal village in western Nepal Himalayas. Hunters were sent to kill the tiger, but she managed to escape from them. The Nepalese army, after failing to capture or kill the tiger, drove her across the border into India. There she continued her killing in the human district. All her kills happened during the day night. After several instances, people stopped going into the forest to collect firewoods, fruits, roots, and other things. They were terrified to go out and refused to leave their hands for work after hearing her roar from the forest. The British government requested Jim Corbett to help the villagers. He agreed to hunt down man-eater. He camped in the Human district and started tracking the tigers. He moved around the village and restricted the activities of man-eaters. After several successful attempts, Corbett managed to kill the tiger when it killed a 16-year-old girl in a village near Champawat and left a trail of blood which Corbett followed. After a whole day of pursuit, Corbett had to abandon the hunt, decided to use villagers and to organize a dive the next day near the Champa river. With the help of the Dasildar of Champawat, the bait was organized with about 300 villagers. The next day, Corbett shot the tiger dead near the Chatar Bridge in Champawat. A cement board was erected, making the place where the tiger loss was finally brought down. A postmortem on the tiger showed the upper and the lower canine teeth on the right side of the mouth were broken, the upper one in half and the lower one right down to the bone. This injury was a result of an old gunshot from the game hunter who failed to track and kill it. According to Corbett, probably this injury prevented her from hunting her natural prey and hence she started to hunt humans. Jim Corbett was always against the game hunting. He strongly advocated that deforestation and human encroachment were the main cause of the mischief of wild animals. He went on lecturing tours to educate the people about the natural heritage and the need to conserve forests and their wild animals. He promoted the Association of the Prevention of the Game and the All India Conference of the Prevention of the Wildlife. He played a key role in establishing India's first national park in the Gomon Hills, Alinda National Park in Uttarakhand, India. It was initially named after Lord Moham Halley. Jim Corbett died on 19 April 1955. The park was named in 1957 as the Jim Corbett National Park. It was named after him to honor his role establishing his protected area in 1930. glossary very very important TNPC டெட்ல கேட்பாங்க. hesitate, pause before saying or doing something, fatalities, an occurrence of death by incident, restricted, limited extent, preservation, production. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். இந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் ப்ரோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் பற்றி பார்ப்போம்.